This innovative approach to constructing houses not only combines efficiency and safety but also seamlessly merges tradition with modernity. Here's a detailed walkthrough of the traditional house building process in South Korea. Firstly, workers commence lifting operations and erect pillars on the foundation. These pillars serve as the foundational support for the entire structure. Following this, main beams are strategically placed to connect to these pillars, forming the primary framework of the house. Traditional carpentry techniques are then employed to construct the core framework, ensuring structural integrity. Additional secondary beams are strategically installed to further reinforce the structure, meticulously pre-designed for seamless installation. Once the framework is established, wall modules made of bamboo are hoisted and installed between the columns. These modules not only serve as outer walls but also act as insulation layers, contributing to the energy efficiency of the house. Roof panels are then carefully placed atop the frame and secured with bolts. A layer of specially designed black tiles is laid on top, completing the roof swiftly and efficiently. To reinforce the interior walls, a mixture of clay is applied, while the exterior walls undergo a similar treatment using clay as well. This traditional method ensures both durability and aesthetic appeal. The result, a breathtaking Korean house that seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with modern construction techniques. This method, which harmoniously combines traditional and modern approaches to house construction, significantly enhances efficiency and reduces costs. So, the question remains, would you consider employing such a method to build your own house?